everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, or welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, because I'm the flower that blooms at night, and welcome to another transformation I'm bringing this month of February. Today, we are serving full cold-hearted snake 50 Shades of Gay realness. I just really want to do something really cool-toned, and I got this gorgeous jumpsuit-y, like, romper thing from Boohoo, and I just had to do, like, a cool-toned, smoky glamour look this month, like... It was in my blood, I was feeling it, it needed to be done. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks you want to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time, but make sure that bell's hit because there's going to be lots of videos this month. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation and thanks for watching. I'm going to be starting this look off with a freshly cleansed and shaved face, and I'm just going to wear something comfy while I get ready since I didn't feel like being tucked the entire time I did my makeup. So I first just started by drinking some energy drink because we're going to be here for a few hours doing this makeup. I then just hydrated my skin with a little bit of the Mario Badescu facial spray and primed it using the Becca Backlight priming filter. I am just going to speed through the base of my face a little bit since you see it in almost every single video, and I will leave my full coverage highlight and contour routine down below, but pretty much colour corrected the beard area, step that down with powder, going with super full coverage Krylon TB paint stick, and then highlight with another paint stick, and then contour with another paint stick, and heavily set down with powder. Then I quickly filled in my brows off camera, and then it's time to tackle the eyes. So I first just quickly spritzed down my skin again to kind of avoid any powdery texture, and took like a nice warm toned orange shade just through the upper area of the kind of eye region. Although this look is going to be cool toned overall, it's nice just to have that little bit of warmth as like the initial transition colour. I then deepened out my kind of crease and really smoked out with the grey in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and then really deepened the outer V using that darker grey shade. And I basically just kept going back and forth and really like buffing and blending and really building up the intensity. I highlighted my brow bone with a little bit of a matte white eyeshadow, and then carved out my eye shape using the Illamasqua white eyeliner, and then really like smoked out that outer V. Like, girl, I went really smoky and seductive, and then took those same kind of shades along my lower lash line just to add a little bit of drama. From here, I just quickly threw on some winged liner, and then for that kind of inner tear duct area, I popped a little bit of glitter on it since, you know, drag look, extra, needed the glitter. I highlighted my face using the light shade in the Makeup Revolution highlight and contour kit, and then went to town and chiseled out my features. Like, girl, I bronzed up and contoured a lot. From here, I went with a slightly purpley toned blush since I wanted something a little bit different and not too warm, since I wanted this look overall to be a little bit cool toned. And then I took Flexitarian from Colourpop on a brush for my highlighter. For my lips, I used Stone Fox from NYX. I've been wanting to use this in a look for ages, so it finally got its moment to shine on my channel. And then, yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.